relax, sit back and listen to a math class. In today's class, we are going to learn multiplication of matrix. First, we have to consider two matrix A and B. These conditions should be satisfied to multiply those two matrices. So, the condition is our first matrix is A, second matrix is B. We are going to multiply these two matrices. So, the number of columns of A must be equal to number of rows of B. So, here the columns of A is n and row of this B is n. So, we can multiply this A and B. Okay, the final product, that is the final product AB will be, the order of this AB will be m cross P. That is, the order of this AB will be the number of rows of this A and number of columns of this B. So, order of AB equal to number of rows of A by number of columns of B. Number of columns of B. So, overall concept is to multiply two matrix, the first matrix column must be equal to the second matrix row. That condition must be satisfied to multiply those two matrices. And final product we will reach after multiplying these two products. That product's size or order will be the first matrix row and second matrix column. So, m cross P. Now, in this problem, we are going to do multiplication. So, step number 1 is check the order. This is 3 by 3. This is 3 rows and 2 columns. Next, you have to check whether this first matrix column is equal to the second matrix row. Yes. Number of column equal to the number of row. Number of column of first matrix is equal to the number of row of the second one. So, we can do multiplication AB and the final answer we will get. No, AB equal to some answer. That answer's order will be, that final product or order will be 3 by 2. 3 by 2. That is 3 rows and 2 columns. The final product will always be equal to number of row of first matrix and number of column of second matrix. So, our final product will be of the form 3 by 2. Next, we can do multiplication. 1 minus 1 2, minus 2 1 3, 0 minus 3 4 into 1 minus 1 1, minus 3 1 2. Always remember this 7 while doing multiplication. That is, this first row with this first column, this first row with this second column. In a similar way, we will do for other 2 rows. 1 into this 1, 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1, 1 plus 2 into 1, 2. In a similar way, this first row with this first row with this second column. So, 1 into minus 3, minus 3 plus minus 1 into 1, minus 1 plus 2 into 2, 4. So, 1 into minus 3, minus 3, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 2 into 2, 4. Okay, in a similar way, this second row with this first column. So, minus 2 into 1, minus 2 plus 1 into minus 1, minus 1 plus 3 into 1, 3. Next, the second row with this second column. So, minus 2 into minus 3, 6 plus 1 into 1, 1 plus 3 into 2, 6. Next, this third row with this first column, 0 into 1, 0, minus 3 into minus 1 plus 1 plus 3 Again plus 4 into 1, 4. Next 0 into minus 3, 0. Plus minus 3 into 1, minus 3. Plus 4 2s are 8. Okay, so 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. This is minus 4 plus 4, 0. Next, this is minus 3 plus 3, 0. 6 plus 6, 12, 13. Here, 8 minus 3, 5. Here, 3 plus 4, 7. Okay, this is what our final answer is. Next, let us see how to multiply a matrix by a scalar. First of all, I am taking a number 3. So, here the matrix A is 2, 3, 0, 1, minus 1, 5. So, I am multiplying this matrix A by 3, a scalar value 3. So, you have to minus 1, 0, 5. You have to multiply this 3 with each and every element. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 into 0, 0. 3 1s are 3. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 3 into 5, 15. So 3a equal to 690. 3 minus 3, 15. This is what your final answer is. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos related to both school and college maths. Thank you.